What's happening? Thought I'd do a quick video. Just I was meant to do a weekly outlook. Got a bit busy. Um, did did all my analysis, but didn't actually shoot the video. So I thought I would shoot a quick video now, just while we're here. I know it's Tuesday. Obviously, maybe I should have waited until tomorrow and do a midweek report. But yeah, so I just would like to go ahead and break this down quickly. It's only been a quick video, maybe 10 minutes or so. We'll just have a look at it. So I had a few people that were short gold, and I wanted to just actually have a quick minute just to talk about this. We can see on the daily time frame that last week we closed well above my monthly zone. Again, we had the trend line. We broke clearly above that, and then we formed a pennant, a flag, whatever you want to call it. But we can see that it is a bullish pattern. So worst case scenario would have been that we would have had a pullback to support and then a rally up. But it is a beautiful pattern, and we could see that today on the daily time frame. We actually had a nice push through that. I'm going to go lower to the euro, to the 4-hour time frame, sorry, and you can see that obviously we had a nice push to the upside. You can see, if we have to zoom in on these candles here, you can see we had indecision with the dojis, the hammers, and then we had a nice bullish engulfing candle here, which would have been the signal to go long. And then further up. So that's how I would have traded it. I did take profit on it earlier, purely because it was probably about 10-15 pips from my target, and I thought, you know what, nice little trade, might as well stick with it and take the money while it's on the table. Euro USD. Okay, so we're going to go into the daily time frame just so we can have a look at this. Again, you can see the market is actually consolidating now. We had the impulse move to the downside, and you can see here, 2 seconds. You can see we're now consolidating in this area here. Okay, we had a break to the downside here. You can see we've closed below my monthly zone. So again, are we going to be expecting further downside from this pair? If we look on a weekly time frame, you can see that my next level would be this 50 Fibonacci level here. So again, that is something I'm looking forward to for the short positions. But until I can get a clear break below this weekly trend line, I probably won't look to enter it just yet. I'll wait for a break, wait for a flag, and then we can push down. You can see the stochastics here are on a nice trend at the moment, and if we have a break below that trend line, we'd look to enter a short position as confluence. Okay, again, here we look at Euro Chef. We're on the weekly. We go through, you can see the nice pattern it's formed on the weekly. Nice bearish channel. We've now hit the resistance level on that channel. If you see what I'm talking about here. Last week, the last 2 weeks, we broke out of it, but failed to break above this resistance level. Left, right, head and shoulders. We've now retested this level, and now we should expect further downside. And as you can see, this week has started off to a great short position if you were on this pair. See a consolidation, and we should be expecting some more shorts to the trend line at least anyway. Pound USD, again, we had our impulse, we had the correction. We're either going to keep supported level here and we're going to push to the upside, okay, alternatively in the next couple of days, probably tomorrow, if we do get a break below here, I would expect the short to carry on. But if it holds for the next day or two, I think we'll have a nice push back up to this trend line here. Euro JPY, you can just see the market structure of this here. We sort of had our move to the upside. We're now having a bit of consolidation, and it looks like we're going to be pushing further to this support level this week. Euro CAD on the daily. Again, we closed above the weekly support level. Yesterday we did push down. We're now trending or trading on this area here. So again, I wouldn't look for a break of this trend line before I would look to go short. Break and a close to the 50 level. Euro pound, you can see where this is. We're still trading within this channel here. Just haven't drawn the other side. You can see how the market is trading. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can get a push to the upside. Failing that, if we don't break this, we could consolidate for another day before either pushing to the upside or we might break to the upside. Euro Oz. You can see here, to me this looks like a double top. We just need a confirmation no close below this level and then to see any further downside. But that does look like a double top. Currently we're trading above monthly support zone, and unless we get a break below there, I wouldn't look to enter any short positions. So I'm holding fast on this pair, and then we'll just have to trade as and when we get a break to the downside. Pound yen, this one bummed me this morning. Kept my stops a bit too tight, I think. I was short, and then there was a new spike that came out, and you will see here that I did keep my stop just above here, and you can see I just got tagged, and now it's come back down to entry. So again, we'll have to wait and see if this pair closes below this support level, support zone. Then I would look to possibly re-enter on a break of this trend line here, and then look to carry on with further downside. If we go on a bigger time frame, you can see the intended target would be this level here. Pound CAD. Again, this one looks like we're going to be having a nice push to the upside. We have broken through, had a retest. So again, if we don't have any bearish action today and we close above this level, we'll continue to the upside. Failing that, if we do close below here, we could push and test the support level of the monthly lows. Pound Oz, pretty much same for all the pound pairs. You can see what we're dealing with here. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay, until we can get a break below this trend line, I wouldn't look to short this pair at all. USD JPY did appear that we would have some bullish momentum yesterday, but we failed to break this resistance level, and now we're actually testing the support of the daily trend line. So it should be interesting to see whether we're going to break this level today or tomorrow and have a push to support or the monthly support level. USD CAD, I think a picture paints 1,000 words. You can see we're currently having a bit of indecision at this resistance level. Excuse me, we're either going to have a break to the upside or break to the downside. Again, we just have to have a little box in there. So again, okay, you can see we've got a consolidation period here, so we're either going to break to the downside. Once we get a clear break, retest, we look to go long, or break to the downside, retest, look to go short. USD ZAR, again we had this huge clear break, retest, and now we're sort of consolidating in this area here. We get a break above here, we'll look on the 1 hour time frame for a flag and look to go long. The last time was Aussie USD and New Zealand USD. Both are pretty weak against the dollar at the moment. As you can see, the stochastic hasn't made any high highs here. We're now sort of trading on support. I wouldn't look to unless we can break this level here and retest it, I wouldn't look to add to the short position. You can see we broke support on the monthly. Now it's resistance. We've had our push down, so now we need to wait and see confirmation whether we're going to push to the lows. If you look on the weekly, target would be this level down here. Zealand USD with two bullish days, Monday and Friday. You can see we're now on this trend line here. We're sort of hit resistance. Again, we're sort of trading above the 50 fib. So again, a break below that, and we should see the lows. We hold this fast. Sorry, we hold this tight up here. We could see a push to the upside. So that is basically it in a nutshell. There's obviously a few other pairs that we could look at. I'm a bit pushed for time. I've got some other things I need to do. But if you do have any comments, questions, or concerns regarding the video, just drop me an email below, and we'll look to get amongst it. Until then, trade safe, be patient. Let the trades come to you. Don't go chasing the trades. Till then, all the best. Peace out.